So today I want to talk about um, a topic that I had with my students today in school. So we read a comprehension that was talking about um, a, a chimpanzee, and said that chimpanzee is the most beautiful animal in the world. So, and I repeat the same questions to my students, and I asked them if it was true. So, one student said, chimpanzee is probably not the most beautiful animal in the world. That's what he said. So others also were giving their own opinion, how clever and how intelligent a chimpanzee is. So when we go through the passage, and the passage was talking about that the animals in this picture is a chimpanzee. A chimpanzee isn't very beautiful, but it is one of the most intelligent animals in the world. The chimpanzee in this picture was a very unusual animal. Her name was Washu. So the chimpanzee was a Chinese. And she was very clever. She makes signs with his hand for word. That's what the chimpanzee was responding. Washer was a very good student. She was very hardworking. It was difficult for her, but she learned about 400 words. She made word and sentence too. One day, someone put a door in her cup. She made a sentence, "Baby in my drink," in a sign language. So the first question was, is a chimpanzee the most beautiful animal in the world? That was the first question that I asked. That was when the first student replied, and he said, a chimpanzee isn't probably the most beautiful animal in the world. That's what he replied, the first student. So I went and I asked them up to 8 questions about a chimpanzee, according to the paragraph that we read. But what kind of animal is it? That was the second question. And the second student said, but it is very intelligent animal. That was the second answer another student gave concerning the chimpanzee. The second question was, but what kind of animal it is? And he replied, but it is very intelligent animal. Yeah. So let's go to number 3. Number 3 question I asked, what was the name of the chimpanzee in the picture? And another student said, her name was Washer. And I went to number 4 question. I said, what was she like? Was she very clever or stupid? And another student said, he was very clever. So I went back to number 5 question and I asked, what did she do with her hands? Another student said, he makes signs with her hands. She makes signs with her hands. Forward. Okay, number 6 question. What kind of student was she? And another student replied, She was very hard working. She was very hard working. She was very hard working. Okay, number 7 question. How many words did she learn? How many words did she learn? And another student said, she learned about 300 words. She learned about 300 words. The last question was number 8. Did she only make word? Did she only make word? No. And the last student said no. He makes sentences too. He makes sentences too. So when we go back to the paragraph that I read, then you understand whether the answers that the students gave, they are all right. So you just go back, please. You can still drop your own answers to the comment section. If what to answer or the answers that they gave, whether the answers are right. So just follow King Lee about the passage that I read. King Lee, then you can understand the passage and whether the answers that they gave, they are all right. Thank you so much. Please help me like the video, comment at the comment section. I will get back to you. I love you all. Have a blessed day. This Praise TV 5. And you can also follow me on my YouTube, Tumbe Botame, and on my Facebook page, Dream Revolutionary TV. Have a blessed day all. I love you all. Bye-bye.